Hi, my name is Ellie, and in a series of tutorials, I'm going to show you how to use the features of VEDAMO Virtual Classroom. I hope you find this useful.
Welcome to the Typeboard feature in VEDAMO Virtual Classroom. This is a dedicated space designed to enhance your collaborative experience during your sessions. The Typeboard is your virtual notepad, always visible to everyone in the session, regardless of which whiteboard sheet is active. It's perfect for jotting down important notes, key points, or any information you want to share during the class. Let's see how to use it. To open the typeboard, locate the icon on the right side of the whiteboard. The content that you create can be edited via the built-in text tool. In order to access it, you have to double-click on the text you want to edit. All of the most popular functions, like different headings, use of bold and italic, bullets, embedding links to the text, and more, are supported. As the host, you have the power to decide who can contribute to the typeboard. Only one participant at a time can write on the typeboard. Click on the drop-down menu and choose who has the permission to write on the typeboard. All other participants can see the content in the view-only mode. This gives you control over the collaborative aspect of your online session. If you need more space, open the typeboard in a separate window or make it full screen. This will provide you with even more room for extensive note-taking or brainstorming sessions. The typeboard is a fantastic addition to your online session, offering a dynamic space for collaboration. Have a great time teaching!
Thank you for watching. You can also check the detailed step-by-step article in the description of this video. Happy teaching!